I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Farmer Kit in Roblox Bedwars. This kit is fantastic for generating emeralds, giving your team a significant economic advantage. We'll cover the best strategies for placing your generators, ensuring they are well protected, and maximizing your emerald collection throughout the game. Get ready to become a master farmer. Strategic placement is key for your emerald generators. Aim for spots that are difficult for enemies to access, perhaps elevated or within a fortified area of your base. Always build defenses around them, like walls or even a small bunker. Remember, a well-protected generator means consistent emerald income for your team, so teamwork in defense is crucial. Collecting your emeralds regularly is vital. Don't let them sit and become easy targets for opponents. Once you have them, prioritize smart spending. Focus on personal upgrades like diamond armor and a strong sword first. Then, contribute to team upgrades such as the sharpener or protection enchantments, which benefit everyone and strengthen your overall defense and offense. As the game progresses, your emeralds can fund more advanced strategies. Think about purchasing powerful mid-game items like a golem to defend your base, or even a few TNT blocks for offensive pushes. Always adapt your farming and spending based on how aggressive the enemy teams are and the specific layout of the map. Stay flexible and dominate the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.